Congratulations, Queen of Valor 2026. Congratulations to the beautiful girls from Bataan. Be competing nga, di ba sabi natin, all over the Philippines, and they are representing Bataan to the national stage. This is already a mark.
Super duper happy because finally, even not me, marami po talagang candidates who have been representing Bataan in different regional and provincial pageant. But right now, since meron na po tayong official na parang pageant for Bataan, Bataeños, which is Queen of Valor 2026, parang nagkaroon na po kami ng official name na pageant na once you consider yourself as a winner ng Queen of Valor, legit taga Bataan talaga. Kumbaga nabigyan na po kami ngayon ng platform po na so when you represent Bataan in different pageants, I'm na-acknowledge na po.
Now,
Finally. Nagkaroon na po.
Queen of Valor is queen of a fighter, di ba nga? Sabi nila. Aside from that, what do you think is the real meaning of Queen of Valor?
I think meaning of Queen of Valor is a representation of a trans woman who really embodies the bravery. Especially right now, we are facing a lot of adversities and challenges, and I think it's good for the trans women community in Bataan to have or to see someone who can inspire them, who can actually influence their mindsets and their perspectives in life, that they can see that we are more than just beauty queen, we're also professionals in different career paths that we are taking. So it's really a good stepping stone for us to really show to the whole trans pageantry in the Philippines what Bataan Trans Excellence has to offer.
Ano naman po sa feeling mo yung pinagkaiba ng mga trans Pinay ng Bataan sa trans Pinay all over the Philippines?
Kami pong mga taga-Bataan ay tunay na relihiyoso. Kaya nga po meron tagline sa Bataan na mga taga-Bataan ay bayani at banal.
Well done. And ang ganda ng staging. And also congratulations, I have to commend to the organizers. Isa ito sa mga, I think, one of the best pageants that I've ever been to. Ang maayos at talagang well-planned. Congratulations. And congratulations to you girls on the national pageant. I know that we'll be seeing you, and good luck. At sabi nga nila, wag isusuko ang Bataan. Thank you so much.